What are you doing with that knife, Nudge?
I'm ready to cut my first high loaf of bread. I've made a nice sourdough, apparently. You ready?
Oh, hang on, let's have a look at. Oh, yeah. Looks alright.
Looks impressive, doesn't it?
Maybe a little bit overcooked, but.
You ready for it?
Unless it's supposed to be like that, is it?
I think so.
Okay.
Right,
Alright, let's go.
Oh. Well, this could be.
Sorry, go on. What was happening there?
This could be a little problematic.
Oh. Should I get my bike pumped? Oh, it only costs us about £30 in ingredients this week.
Ta-da!
We might have mice. Seriously, where's it all gone?
Oh.
That's awesome. We should stuff it with something.
Oh, look.
Like food.
Oh, that's a bit weird, isn't it? To be fair, there was a couple of the ingredients that I didn't have, so I did substitute. Oh, yeah, wow, look at that. That's a bit freaky.
Alright. Have a look.
I was a bit excited to start with, too. That was my highest rising loaf of bread.
Well, look, hey, if nothing else, you've achieved height.